Meanwhile, Indonesia's trade balance in February 2023 was recorded at a surplus despite a decline in export-import performance. This February trade balance surplus was the highest since May 2020. Indonesia's export and import performance in February 2023 again decreased on a monthly basis, with the value of exports in February down to $21.4 billion, a decrease of 4.1% compared to January's exports. Meanwhile, the value of Indonesian imports on a monthly basis in February also decreased to $15.9 billion, down by 13.6% compared to January. This decline was driven by the decline in the performance of oil and gas and non-oil and gas imports. But despite the decline in export and import performance, Indonesia's trade balance is still at a surplus of $5.48 billion, marking consecutive months of a trade surplus since 2020.
Ekspor kembali melambat secara bulanan di Februari 2023, tetapi tidak sedalam bulan sebelumnya. Pada Januari 2023, ekspor total turun 6,31% terhadap Desember 2022. Penurunan ekspor non-migas sebesar 3% pada Februari 2023 terhadap bulan sebelumnya disebabkan oleh pertama adalah bahan bakar mineral atau kode HS27 nilainya turun sebesar 0.
Now moving on, China's economy showed mild improvements in the first 2 months of 2023. This is according to a report released by the National Statistics Bureau. The report said there was growth in industrial production, retail sales, and fixed assets investment. Industrial production grew by 2.4% in January, and in February by 1.1% higher than the same period last year. Spokesperson Fu Linghui told reporters at a news conference on Wednesday. The figures show the economic growth since China ended its strict COVID-19 measure at the end of last year. The Chinese government set a growth target of around 5% this year at the annual legislature session and called for consumer spending as a major force to revive the economy.
Unique industrial capabilities, infrastructure access, still a large pool of relatively affordable.
工业生产恢复加快，企业预期好转。1至2月份，全国规模以上工业增加值同比增长2.4%，比2020年12月份加快1.1个百分点。2年平均增长4.9%。伴随着疫情防控较快平稳转段，经济循环加快畅通。 生产需求明显改善，经济运行企稳回升，但外部环境更趋复杂，需求不足仍较突出，经济回升的基础